Now listen closely. Sometimes you need to meet your client face to face. Okay, so video conferencing build your trust with your client, and maybe if they have a team of like 3 or 4 people, managers, or maybe their other development team or their other product managers, and you want to convey your message and you need to get your message across, you should be using video conferencing tools. Okay, so I'm going to discuss few of them. The first tool I'm going to review is this zoom.us, and I will be using it. It is free for first 50 members, so up to 50 participants you can share your screens, okay, and even your cameras, and you can talk to each other. Okay, so this is very good conference room, and up to 50 I think it is the best. I have used it. You can go to its plans and you can see over here, and you can see over here up to 50 participants. It's personal meeting free, and 40-minute limit on group meeting. So I think 40 minutes are more than enough. So this is one of the best options. Okay, then I have used this one, WebEx. Once I was doing a project with the team from USA, and I think their whole team, like 5 or 6 people, or even from my country in another city, totally we were like 9 or 10 people talking at the same time on this WebEx, Cisco WebEx. Okay, it's a bit pricey, but I think a lot of companies use it, maybe the bigger ones or maybe big software houses, they use it. Third option is this Google Hangout. If someone you can want to call, you can use, this is free. You can use Google Hangout to get in touch with them and show your face and call them face to face. Okay, so top option is Zoom, then Google Hangouts, then you can try this WebEx and this Bitrix. Okay, so Bitrix is a very big tool. It is for companies. I think it is not good for very small or maybe startup companies. You can see task and projects, chat, video, documents, drive, a lot of options. So I personally don't like all-in-one solutions because they have a lot of extra options to bother you, and you cannot use the main feature you are looking for. Okay, so if you want to try it, you can try it. The best one I think is this Zoom, then Google Hangouts. If you want to try this one, you can try this one, and I also found this one. I don't know how it is, so I would not recommend it. So let's stick with these 4. Okay, so best options are these 2. If you see another one, let me know, but I have searched a lot online for this, and most of the time I found this Zoom the best. Their audio and video quality is great, and it is seamless, so this also counts a lot. Okay, so that's all about video meeting with your clients. So this can build trust, and it can also show that you are a real person. Clients and people, they are in problem and they need solutions, and they need solutions from real human beings, not chatbots. Okay, so if you I think mostly if you try to click this help or these icons on most of the sites, I don't really trust them, because I know that this might be an automated program and it's not a human being. Okay, so let's move on to the next lesson.